Hi there, it's Krista McGinnis. I just wanted to make a video to show you how to insert equations and mathematical symbols in Google Docs. So I've created a Google Doc. I go to Insert, Equation, and you'll see under your toolbar is kind of a new toolbar. If you do need to get rid of it, you can click on that X, but we're going to be using it. So you'll see a blue box. Whoops, got rid of it. But if you start a new equation by clicking New Equation, you'll see a blue box. Let's say I want to do 16, and I want to use divided by. I click divided by 4, and the addition symbol is on your keyboard. The subtraction, plus 2. The subtraction symbol we can just use on the keyboard. 3, and the equal symbol is also on the keyboard. So that's not a problem. You don't need anything fancy with the addition, subtraction, or multiplication. Let's say though we want to do square root. That's fairly simple. So I have clicked New Equation. I have my box. I go here to my square root, and I have the square root of 16. And I can keep, as long as I keep typing. Oops, 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. I can keep going on, and you'll see that the bar continues until I hit return. Once I do that, you'll see that the blue box is gone, and I can start typing, and it is no longer under the square root bar. Let's see. The other one that's going to be really useful is the exponent with a base. You can see all the different options here. Some you won't use this year at all. Some you might use in the future. So if we're doing the exponent, let's say x, and I want it to be to the third power, so x cubed. I just hit, that's the base, I hit return. You'll see the cursor moves up to the exponent position, x cubed. Hit return again, hit it twice, and you'll see we no longer are in the blue box, so we're no longer using the new equation. Another option, let's show you new equation. Let's do fractions, a over b. Fractions come out very tiny, but let's say the numerator is 3. You'll see the fraction bar is already there. I hit return, and it brings me down to the denominator, so there you go, there's 3/4. And I click return twice, the box is gone. I can even do things like fraction. I could do the numerator, let's say, is the square root of 45. Return. So I hit return twice. It brings me down to the denominator, and I want it to be an exponent, so over x to the, hit return, you'll see it's a tiny little exponent, and x squared. Hit return twice, and my box is gone. One more, I think I will show, well, I can show you a couple more, but one more really useful one in the future will be, I want to do an exponent, but the exponent's a fraction. So my base is z, and return moves it up to the exponent position, and it's going to be a fraction because that is something that you may use. So the numerator is 2, fraction bar's there, I hit return, thirds, hit return. I can keep going with this equation, or I hit return again, and I'm done. If we're doing greater than and less than, that's on the keyboard. So 3 is greater than 4, that's on the keyboard. But what if I wanted to do greater than or less than? I mean, say greater than or equal to. So if I said 3, the equation is greater than or equal to, hit return, x, and that's how you would do that symbol. There are several other symbols. There's Greek letters. Whoops. So if I want to look at those Greek letters, there's some symbols I don't even know exactly what they mean, or if I did know in the past, I forgot. Several other options. So that is not equal to, and that's approximate. That is another one that might be useful to you. Brackets, parentheses, things like that, arrows. So play around, check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. I hope this helps.